Hey guys, it's Robert and Trey from the Mailroom. We get a ton of questions about what's the difference between balm and oil. A lot of guys in the chair will say, like, I'm growing a beard out, but I've never used anything in it before, and I don't know if I need to use an oil or a balm. So we wanted to talk about like what the differences are and why you would use one over the other. So I mainly just use an oil. So this is our evergreen beard oil. This is my favorite one. It's my favorite scent. I just like that it's kind of like, it's really woodsy. It's a lot of like cedar, fir, pine. So at my length beard, this is about where you would start using a balm, but I trim it a lot, so I usually don't end up needing to use a balm. So I just use the oil, go right underneath, and what that does is it keeps the skin healthy underneath the beard, keeps the beard moisturized, so it stays really soft. There's no dandruff, and it's just overall healthy for the beard. So every beard needs to use at least an oil, but when you got a beard like Trey's, this is where we need to start talking about a balm.
Yeah, the benefits of the balm, or the balm acts more like a tamer. So whenever it gets long and wispy, I talk to a lot of guys that don't carry a comb around with them on a daily basis or a brush. You know, maintaining your beard, keeping it looking nice and professional is the best way to keep it. And some guys complain that it gets really unruly and unmanageable, and that's where the balm comes into play to take care of that, to really tame down the wild hairs. Anybody standing outside of the herd puts them down, and it moisturizes, penetrates, keeps smelling good. I'm really on the tea tree kick just because it's classic herbal, medicinally kind of thing, but my scents tend to rotate out with the season, so right now I've been sticking with the tea tree, just nice and classic. But
Cool.
Carry a comb, use the balm, tame it up.
Cool. So there you go. I mean, basically the difference is oil conditions and nourishes, balm controls and tames. So when you've got a huge beard like Trey's, his hair is also pretty straight and wavy, you need a balm to really control it. Whereas I keep mine pretty tight, pretty clean. I trim it really often, so the trimming does a lot of the control for me, so I don't need that as much. I just need the nourishment, the conditioning of the oil. So there you have it, guys. Stay tuned for more tips about hair and beard grooming.